Hi everyone, welcome back to RevBuzz. Today we are back again with another review and we got our hands on a special car, the Audi S5. Also, special thanks to Audi Surat for letting us review this beauty. Audi India has been overhauling their product range in India lately, and the car we have today is the new Audi S5 Sportback. The S5 fills the void between the regular A5 and the high-performance RS5. So let's find out what it has got for us. The new facelifted S5 looks quite aggressive and absolutely stunning. It gets a refreshed face that houses those new signature daytime running lights that double up as the dynamic turn signals along with full LED headlight setup. The traditional Audi grille no more gets the horizontal slats, and what it gets is a chrome-studded design that adds to the sporty appeal of the car. Oh, did we mention that the grille also houses the S5 badge? Front bumper gets lots of sharp design cues. Down you see the brushed aluminium finish accents surrounding the fog lamps, and all of that matches the character of the S5 really well. Moving to the side profile of the S5, first thing that attracts eyeballs is the Sportback design. It looks just phenomenal. Next are those impressive 5-spoke 19-inch alloys. Tire size on this one is 255/35 R19. You also get S5 badging on the fenders, as you would not want someone to mistakenly take your S5 as the regular A5. The brushed aluminium finish can be seen on the ORVMs as well. Now comes the rear portion. The rear end of the S5 is beautifully finished. The neat and clutter-free design looks absolutely brilliant. Tail lamps are full LED units as well, and there's a dominant S5 badge on the boot lid. Bumper has a mix of different treatments to it. There's the brushed aluminium finish, black cladding, and there are quad exhausts to match the sporty appeal of the S5. Overall, the S5 is undoubtedly a head-turner. It looks very stunning and sporty. When taken out for a spin, the S5 for sure looks distinctive and different from everything else on the road, especially in this beautiful shade of quantum grey. Let's get in and check out the interiors. As always, interior of an Audi is just outstanding. Same is the case with the new S5. The biggest highlight of the cabin is the new 10.1-inch Audi MMI infotainment system. It replaces the previous smaller one, which used to have a click wheel and a touchpad. But now the operation is limited to using touch functions only. The navigation system is quite detailed and offers a buttery smooth experience. The car menu displays vehicle-related information such as drive modes, service information, and more. And the other menus perform the rest of the basic functions seen in a modern car. Unlike other new generation Audis, the S5 still gets the physical keys for the air conditioning system. Those dials and buttons offer a very satisfactory feel and feedback. One interesting bit about those controls is that they are touch sensitive, which means when you glide your fingers over them, it brings up more information about a particular function. Since the S5 offers a 3-zone climate control system, the temperature settings for the rear seats can be set from the main control system as well. Below the air conditioning controls, a dedicated drive mode selector is placed, which simplifies the process of changing drive modes. Next to it is the auto start stop function button, then comes the traction control button, then there's the parking sensors key, and finally there's a button to turn off the MMI display. The S-Spec flat bottom steering wheel gets the sportier theme along with perforated finish, with the S badging sitting at the bottom of the steering wheel. It also houses some buttons to control various functions along with paddle shifters. There's also the signature Audi virtual cockpit that's one of the best in the industry. It displays a long list of information right in the eyeline of the driver. My personal favorite is the full screen navigation menu that really helps while on the go. The Audi S5 also gets touch sensitive lights. Gone are those boring buttons and now you can directly touch the lights to operate them. The doors get the Alcantara treatment that uplifts the in-cabin experience. Seats too are sportier and offer incredible cushioning and support. There's also extendable under-thigh support for better seating position. There's also a little storage space on the central console. Glove box is decently sized as well and can house in small articles on the go. The front armrest is deep too and also gets a USB-C charger. Let's check out the back seats of the S5. The S5 is quite a practical car. It is indeed performance oriented, but that does not mean it misses out on practicality. It gets a generous amount of legroom, and headroom too is good considering the fact that it's a sportback. There's also an armrest with some storage space and cup holders. Rear seat passengers get their independent climate control settings. Overall, the cabin of the Audi S5 is just brilliant. It offers a very plush and premium experience. Talking more on practicality, the Audi S5 offers a humongous 465 liters of boot space. The spare wheel is very neatly tucked inside the boot and is a space saver rather. It's a rare sight to see spare wheel perfectly placed inside a car of this segment. Plus, the S5 gets one of the best thing, that is my personal favorite, frameless doors. I just love frameless doors. They instantly make any car look super cool. As soon as you start the engine of the S5, you are greeted by a silky smooth V6 engine. But what's even more noticeable is the exhaust note on startup, especially in the sport mode when the valves are open. The melody will simply make you go wild. As soon as you start moving, you are treated by a wave of power and torque, which offers relentless acceleration. By the way, did I tell you it can go 0 to 100 in just 4.8 seconds? Even a novice can do it as the engine is coupled to Audi's brilliant Quattro all-wheel drive system, which offers incredible grip and it makes sure you always stay in control. The 8-speed gearbox offers quick shifts, and when you want to have more fun, you can take control of the gearbox by the paddle shifters. On downshift, you can hear pops and bangs, which simply makes everyone go nuts for the Audi S5. Talking of the handling, the Quattro all-wheel drive system sends 60% power to the rear wheels and 40% to the front. It offers immense grip in the corner and you can carry some insane speeds through them without even feeling nervous. This being the S5 gets adaptive dampers, which in sport mode makes them stiffer, offering great agility to the car. In comfort or eco mode, they become soft, and for your daily commute over bad roads, it can offer you almost as much comfort as a regular luxury sedan. The steering is light and easy at parking speeds and weighs up decently well at higher speeds, offering good confidence. It's a very quick steering rack, thus a flick can even result in a lane change. Of course, this being an electric steering, it lacks the feedback that hydraulic steering has to offer. Audi S5 gets bigger brakes all around. As they say, with more power comes great responsibility. And to stop this beast is a great one. When you brake hard, it feels like the car just dropped an anchor and it just stops without any drama. Like any German car, it holds its line well and makes you feel always confident. The Audi S5 is the sports car that your family won't mind traveling in. It has dual characteristics. On the weekdays, the comfort mode can offer you almost an experience as good as any other luxury sedan. It also gets the practicality of a normal sedan with a humongous boot and a spacious backseat. But on the weekends, just put it into sport mode and disappear into its madness for the ride of your life.